How to screenshot Snapchat without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshot on Snapchat without other knowing. So without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, open up the Snapchat application. And then make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, head over to your chat page by tapping on the chat icon from the bottom of this interface. Now, go to that profile where you would like to take a screenshot of the chat. Once you land on the chat page, now if you directly take a screenshot from here, this account will get notified that you have taken a screenshot. But if you want to do that without them knowing, what you can do is, first of all, scroll your notification panel and from there tap on airplane, and from there turn on the airplane mode. After you turn on your airplane mode, now simply take a screenshot of the chat. Even though there is a notification that says you took a screenshot of the chat, and once you have turned on the airplane mode, now simply uninstall the Snapchat from your device. Tap on app info and then tap on uninstall and then tap on OK. After that, again open up the Play Store and then turn off your airplane mode, and on the search bar type in Snapchat. Now you have to install the Snapchat back again and open up the application once it is installed. Now you have to log in with your account. Now once you logged in your account, go to the chat section and then tap on that account. Here you can see that there is no any notification that says you have take a screenshot of. So that's how you can take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.